Yo guys, I'm here and we're gonna be getting more shock drops here in the near future. But this one right here, I don't think anybody expected to shock drop. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I say that specifically in today's video. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get into this unboxing, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated. You guys can know, man, it's a good Sunday, bro. Give you guys this content, you feel me? And hopefully everybody is having a great day. But real quick before we get any further, man, I don't know what's been going on, bro. I don't know if y'all just don't mess with your boy no more, but we gotta get them likes up, bro. It's been the lowest amount of likes. We're still getting, you know, the same amount of views, but I need you guys to hit that like button, man. Them likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow and it puts us in the algorithm, man. So hey, don't be shy, man. Hit that like button for your boy on the videos, and let's get this thing back rocking. If you guys are new here to the channel, you already know what to do, man. You're rocking with the vibes, you're feeling the content already. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content that we do drop. And here shortly, I don't know if it's gonna be this upcoming week, but we will be streaming the game on Friday or Saturday. Whatever games y'all want to play, you know what I'm saying, see me streaming, that's what we're gonna do. So stick around for all that by hitting the notification bell, like I said, man. All right, like I said, guys, we got a shock drop probably now about a week and a half ago. And the reason why I say a lot of people didn't expect it, because you know, usually when you hear about a shock drop or a restock or anything that's going on, what's happening? You know, people like me, people like, you know what I'm saying, your boy coming up on YouTube and telling you guys all the meat and potatoes. But that didn't happen for this one. Literally, I knew the night before it was happening. Usually or typically, I know about a whole 2-3 days before what is going on, you know, from different discords, different, you know, sneaker platforms and stuff like that. But for this one, it was real hush hush. Nike kept this one under wraps, and I guess it was like, yo, if this information get leaked too early, somebody getting fired. That just had to be what it was. It just had to be what it was, because man, I'm talking about, I couldn't even help that many people out, bro. I was like, I should have went live to help people out, let you guys know about this shock drop right here. But it was real hush hush, real tight. And I feel like for this shock drop for the military blue 4s or industrial blues, whatever you do want to call them, I feel like that shock drop gonna be really under wraps. I think we all might know the day it happens or the night before. Like, that's just what I'm anticipating. You know, we got all these pushbacks with, you know what I'm saying, the military blues already. They're supposed to release in April. Now we getting them in May. So, you know, let me get that information, because you know me, bro. I want you guys to eat. I want you to get them dubs. I want you guys to pay retail. I hate paying resale myself. So if I can help anybody out there, you know what I'm saying, get a pair for retail, I'm gonna let you guys know about restocks, shock drops, exclusive access, all that good stuff, man. That's what we're here for, to help people in the Steam community. All right, man, enough talking. Let's get into this box right here, man. You guys can see, bro, straight from Nike. And I've been holding off on this unboxing for a while just because there's been so many other things going on, so many, you know, leaks, so many, you know, new information that we have been getting. So like, bro, I had to push them to the back burner. Your boy been pushing them to the back burner, but we are about to get into these things, man. Let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Open up the box, and man, I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I seen the military blue 4s. It got so in Atlanta, and I'm telling you, bro, them things gonna be some, there's gonna be some problems. Them things is pressure, bro. But let's go ahead and put the knife to the side and get into the box. And once y'all see the box, man, once y'all see the box, y'all gonna know exactly what they are, man. But let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Let's check them out, man. Let's see what your boy DeVintage got. If you haven't hit that like button already, make sure you hit that thing right now for your boy. No Diddy, man. But let's go ahead and see. Yes, sir. In 3, 2, 1, and bam! You guys see what we got in front of y'all. If y'all don't know what these are, you must have been sleeping on a rock, or you ain't bought no shoes up until this point, man. But you guys can see, you got the cement up top, you got the Jumpman with the flight and the official colorway reads. And this is really why I got it on this shot drop. I had to hit on this shot drop because I needed a size 9.5, man. So Air 4 Retro, black, fire red, and cement gray. You guys see them, man. Your boy got another pair of Air Jordan 4 bread things, man. The reimagined things. We got to throw the reimagined there, but you guys see them, bro. Another pair that I had to have due to the fact that the sizing for me lately, I don't know, been off. So I had to get 9.5. But you guys can see we secured another pair, man. But you guys, you know, this happened a couple weeks ago. I feel like I should have dropped this earlier because I really want to know who all hit. It was a really limited shock drop. It was a really limited shock drop restock. I think it was only like 50,000 pairs, and that's not a lot, bro. I think it was even less than that if I'm not mistaken. But these Air Jordan 4s right here, you know, they released like 500 some thousand pairs altogether, and then I guess they save what, 50,000 on the reserve side so they can do the shock drop. But that's to be expected, you know what I'm saying? With huge releases from Nike, from Jordan Brand, they always have something in the reserve. They never sell out. Nike never truly sells out, because you have people that purchase things, sent them back. This could have been, you know, a bunch of pairs that people said, you know, they didn't like them, they didn't want them no more. But from what I'm seeing, bro, you know, usually when you get like a shoe from Nike, and if it is like a return or something like that on the back end, you would see some type of, you know, differences in the shoe from, you know, the pair that you got on the initial date and on a restock. And I say that because some people sometimes unlace the sneaker, they look a little bit differently. And I know damn well Nike ain't going and redoing the lace in, making them look DS again at all. Like, they gonna get that return and they gonna sell them things right back. And that's hence why, you know, they did the Nike refurbished program, because it was like, bruh, I don't care how they look. If y'all don't want them, send them back to us. We're gonna throw them on a Nike refurbished. And now you guys see what happened with that. That site is all the way donezo ball. And something that's weird about my pair right here, I don't know if you guys can peek, that's like a huge like indent on the toe box. I don't know what's going on with that. But like I said, they have been sitting in the crib for about a week and a half now. I say, you know what? I gotta come on YouTube, let you guys know I hit on this shock drop, and ask you guys if you hit on the limited shock drop that Nike did, man. So I definitely think they had this 50K stock sitting in the back burner. They wanted to do it. They pushing back the military blue 4s. Nobody, hold on, let me grab these real quick. It seemed like nobody wanted the Vivid Sulfurs. I don't know why. It is what it is, bro. I really like this pair. This is a pair that I'm definitely going to be keeping. And it's like to the point where I don't need the yellow ochre 6s. I don't need the yellow ochre 1s. I'm cool with these Air Jordan 4s. That's usually what I've been rocking a lot lately, is Air Jordan 4s and Air Jordan 3s, man. So I don't know what happened with these. I really like them. You know, everybody has their own opinion. Everybody, you know, everybody like different things, so that's why I'm not knocking it. But to get you guys an opinion on yesterday's video was crazy. And I knew people didn't like these joints when that like button was that low. It was like nobody liked the video, but people were watching. It's crazy. But enough of the Vivid Sulfurs. Back to the beautiful reimagines. And another thing I've been thinking about is, you know, what's gonna go down as shoe of the year, bro? What is gonna go down for that shoe of the year? Is it gonna be the Bread 4 reimagines, or is it gonna be the military blue 4s? And with it being a million pairs, like I said in my last video, I don't think people care, bro. Sometimes a shoe of the year, a Jordan of the year can be something that people really, really wanted. It don't matter about the hype. It don't matter about how many pairs, the resale value, stuff like that. The military blue 4s, even if it's 2 million pairs, people are still gonna buy them, just like a Jordan 11 release in December. They know they're gonna sell them. They know people want them. But for these military blue 4s, I don't know what bud and got in the Nike ear or what, but they say, you know what, we're gonna push that release date back and we're gonna produce a lot more pairs. Like, I'm talking about another 500,000 pair more than these Bread 4 reimagines, which is kind of crazy, man. The best time to buy these things right here, the Bread 4 reimagines, is right now, bro. I don't think, or I don't even foresee, you know what I'm saying, Nike doing another restock or a shock drop on these. I doubt it. You might can find some slim pickings and like some outlets, maybe, you know what I'm saying, maybe that's a stretch right there. But as far as a huge restock like they did, the 50 or 30, whatever, how many thousand pairs it was, I don't see Nike doing that again. If you see any restocks, it might be a couple onesies and twosies, but nothing too crazy. So if you haven't gotten a pair yet, I think the best time to buy them is right now. But do not wait till next year. Don't wait till this summer. You guys see what happened with the reimagined 3s. All them beans going for $300. So if you don't want to pay a crazy price, a crazy penny, go ahead and get these things now. Wow, that price is low, man. I'm trying to help y'all out, bro. That's what I'm here for. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and check the resale value just real quick, you know what I'm saying, see if I can stamp that, you know what I'm saying, with my word on the resale value, because, man, I'm telling y'all, bro, people still want these. And, bro, hold on. My size 9 and my size 9.5 is going for $268. Y'all see that, bro? These things is going for some bread. That's a lot, no pun intended. That is a lot of money for a shoe that recently released, a GR at that, man. $268, you paying like $300 out the door on StockX and Gold and stuff like that. I'm telling y'all, bro, don't wait. I'm telling y'all right now, if you want them, you ain't got a pair yet, the best time to pull that trigger is now. It's gonna definitely go up. Look at the 2019 bread. Some things going for like $400-500, brother. Listen to your boy once, man. Please listen to your boy. Get these joints now. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, this unboxing of the bread for Reimagines. If you guys did enjoy the content, if you have not subscribed yet, man, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, send this video with a friend, tell them to pull that trigger now on the bread for Reimagines. Tell them to come check your boy DeVintage out, man. And also, leave a huge like on today's video, man. I want to get these likes up, bro. Y'all gotta show me y'all still rock with your boy, man. We gotta get at least 400 likes on today's video. Again, man, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love y'all. With all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.